We know a lot of organizations are struggling with how to incorporate technology into their workplace today. We're here at Booz Allen Hamilton's Innovation Center on the corner of 15th and Ideas here in Washington, D.C. And what we're going to take a look at is how Booz Allen Hamilton has integrated the technology into their space and has made it seamless. What's interesting here is that it's not just about the Innovation Center. It's about connecting the broader spectrum of Booz Allen Hamilton and their ecosystem, and really creating an environment where innovation can occur.
Booz Allen's been on an innovation journey through our 102-year history. So technology is not an end in and of itself. It's really a means to an end. And if we start with our people and then use technology in ways to help them do what they have to do, it becomes a much more powerful system to allow our staff to connect with each other, allow them to connect with our partners and alliances, and allow, most importantly, them to stick with our clients.
Alternative work and hoteling was really kind of a new concept, and people weren't sure how it was going to go over time. People's work habits have changed, technology has evolved. They've recognized that when people work in a more mobile and collaborative environment, they work differently, and space can react and respond differently.
Having that hoteling allows people to meet new people on a constant basis. And Booz Allen being such a large organization, we want to have that connection and to be able to grow our network as quickly as possible.
There's high-end, very modern space like the Innovation Center, and there's more traditional workspaces scattered all around the Washington, D.C. area. And technology plays a role in all of those spaces and make sure that they equip and populate the space properly for the community.
I've learned to develop a lot more here than I would in the traditional workspace. It's up to you to make that decision whether or not to get up from your seat, connect with somebody else.
Booz Allen has given their users choice when it comes to the type of device or interface that they want to use.
Being mobile and using mobility tools allows you to have work-life balance. My mom had gone through cancer, so I was able to go take my mom to radiation, and I could do different meetings that I needed to hold in my car while my mom was getting her treatments.
It's in our core values, really, to continue to find a way to evolve, to continue to better ourselves through feedback, through technology, through the people that we have and the talent that we harness in this space and the client solutions that we get, to constantly try and figure out a way to innovate.
What they've done over the last 10 years is embrace the change in work styles and work patterns, not only to drive up the personal ROI, but drive up the return on investment of their real estate by reinvesting savings in better work environments so they can be more effective.
So we've been able to take a lot less space and consolidate and close some of our buildings due to this program. Booz Allen really manages their business, and managing your space is a big part of managing your business.
The goal for this space was to take your standards that were already implemented, but then push them further. The space is 10,000 square feet, and the goal was to make it as flexible as possible and as efficient as possible. We were able to spend our dollars more on the wow factor finishes that you see throughout the space. There is no wall or ceiling or floor that is left untouched. And these spaces have multiple functions. Not only is this main area here for hoteling day-to-day like you see now, but it's here for event space.
It's about having a space that anybody can use and then empowering our talent to use technology to collaborate with your teammates and with your partners.